It's time to sunset of Python 2 and it is end of life for Python 2. These statements look weird, but it is true. Over the years, many projects were developed by using Python 2. There are many applications running and it is performing well. Python 2 was released in the year 2000. From past 20 years, it has given a great service to the people and many developers used Python 2 and developed many big applications. But all of a sudden, why Python 2 is no more? Why is it end of life? It was informed by Python Software Foundation. Python 2 will not be anymore. So better stop going through Python 2. Don't start any new application with Python 2. And if you are a learner, a student who is trying to learn Python, be aware of this and be away from it. Hey everyone, I am Rajesh and you are watching Tech Pravanya. Still you did not subscribe the channel yet? Please subscribe it. It will be useful for you. And if this video is useful, please like it for sure and share with your friends. Python is an interpreted high-level programming language which was developed by Guido van Rossum. If you look at the brief history of Python, it was developed 30 years ago, in the year 1991. It was available to the public with the version labeled 0.9. In the year 1994, Python 1.0 was released with new features like lambda, map, reduce, filter, few such concepts. And then in the year 2000, they have released Python 2.0 with a few new features again, like list comprehension and garbage collection concepts, few enhancements. While they keep using and developing applications, the Python Software Foundation feel that this is lacking somewhere in the fundamental flow of language, so they thought of going for new version again. In 2008, again they have come up with a new version which is Python 3.0. But this Python 3.0 is not backward compatible. That means some of the statements in Python 2.0 will not work on Python 3.0 version. In this Python 3.0, they came up with a few new features and it is completely different from 2.0. It has got great changes by rectifying the fundamental flow of language. When they released this 3.0 in 2008, they also informed the Python community they will end giving support in the year 2015, almost 7 years before they informed it. And they requested every Python developer, please upgrade to 3.0. Developers as well as the vendors who is holding softwares, they informed them please upgrade to 3.0. Few people upgraded, but many of them are still using 2.0. So the Python Software Foundation felt very difficult as they had to provide parallel versions for both 2.0, 2.x and 3.x. Almost for 7 years they have provided both parallel versions for 3.x and 2.x, and they feel that they are wasting their time for developing these two versions. Instead, if they can spend their whole time for developing only 3.0, they can make it better than other programming languages. So again in 2014, by observing this, they extended this support up to 2020. So they informed that January 1st, 2020 will be the last day for Python 2.0 and they will not give support anymore. So on this 20th April 2020, the Python Software Foundation has released their final version for Python 2, which is 2.7.18. The release manager for 2.7, Benjamin Peterson, has released it and informed that he is not giving any more new updates for it. So some people may think, can't I use 2.0 from now anymore? Yes, if you want you can use it. But if we face any kind of security issue or any problem, no upgradations and they will not address your concerns. At your own risk you can use it. Like if you can consider Windows operating system, that Windows 7 has ended this Jan 2020. So they are not giving any more bug fixes. Still many people can use Windows 7, but if we have any issue, nobody will address it. Same thing happens with the Python 2.0 also. If you want you can use it, but it is not suggested. So the end date of Python has passed. Better we guys adapt to the new version at least now. So now this is time for thinking on refactoring the code of 2.0 to 3.0, and this must be done by all those existing applications. But still people like to use for 2.0, it's fine, no issue. If you want to upgrade and feel the new features of 3.0, and it is time to upgrade it. And it is matter for the educators, whoever is trying to teach Python, better not to teach 2.0 to give justice to the students, Adopt 3.0, start teaching 3.0 only. I hope many have started already, but better we go for 3.0 only. I hope this Python 3 lasts for long. Long live Python 3.